Blink and you'll miss it. Bucks versus Texans in one lightning-fast recap. Tampa strikes first with a crisp red zone dart. Houston answers. Deep shot crowd erupts. Defenses bite back. Edge heat back-to-back sacks. A strip that flips momentum. Special teams spark a field-flipping return. Red zone chess, one stuffed run, one toe-tap score. Flags matter, clocks bleeding, coaches burning timeouts. It comes down to a late kick. Good, a final heave to the end zone. Broken up. That's your MNF thriller. Explosive plays, defensive stands, drama to the last snap. Catch the full highlights after this.